hotel in which I am staying. Entrance of Treasure Island Casino and Hotel. Hello guys, welcome to Las Vegas. I just arrived at my hotel, and to tell you, I'm staying here in Treasure Island Hotel and Casino. It's like a resort with casino in it. So let me give you a tour for the room in which I'm staying. So first thing to tell you, I'm staying at 34th floor, and the cost of this room per night it's around $200. So let's start room tour. So this one is the entrance door, and my luggage with beautiful painting. Here is like the map for the podium and floors. So from here, once we are entering, so first thing, it's like a big mirror, and let's open this one. So once we open, here inside we have like iron, hair dryer, extra comforter, and then hangers and iron board. So let's close this. So once we move forward, so here we have the bed with side tables and lamp post with one beautiful painting again. And this side we have TV with refrigerator, locker, some shelves. Here is a dressing table with some magazine related to Las Vegas. Then here is AC aircon. It's too hot here. Now so here is like a room, other side room. So there's like a door. So if you're taking 2-3 rooms, so you can open the doors and then you can have like, connection. But I just locked this room. So that's it. Let's check out the toilet. Inside the toilet, at the entrance, there is a basin with mirror, lights, towels. Commode is here, a bathtub. Yes, so this is the toilet in this resort. It's like this. Let's check out the views for outside. So in front of me here we have Trump Tower, then we have Hilton, Conrad, Encore, and this one is the resort in which I am staying, Treasure Island. Below you can see Macy's, the store, and then Saks, Fifth Avenue, and then that Dick's Sporting Goods, and a lot of traffic here from top. So this is the hotel room tour in Las Vegas. It's worth to stay here if you're visiting Las Vegas. I just did check-in, but like when I entered, so I just saw the vibes are good. So I would recommend, if you're coming, you can stay in this hotel. And after watching video, you can choose if this hotel is as per your requirement. And they have like beds also. If you need like a king bed, I decided to go for king bed. As if you want twin beds, you can go for twin beds. So yep, there are multiple options as per your choice. So guys, thanks for watching. Welcome to Las Vegas, baby. Hotel lobby. Hundreds of rooms in this hotel. They have here a steakhouse. Casino is also on the ground floor. Complete casino, and people are enjoying here. There's a sports bar also, so you can sit and drink and enjoy that also. So here they have checkout and casinos, play areas.